CycleEnBatt LifePO4 Battery and Power Queen LifePO4 Battery Charger review. Got that coming up next. Bill from Ham Radio Basics here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The good folks at CycleEnBatt sent me this 20 amp hour, 12 volt LifePo battery for review. And what I had to do was I also had to purchase a LifePo4 battery charger. So I purchased this Power Queen 14.6 volt 20 amp LifePo4 battery charger. Now we'll go ahead and take a look at the unboxing of the LifePo4 battery. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing for the LifePo4 battery from CycleEnBatt. And it is a 12 volt 20 amp hour LifePo4 battery. It comes sealed in plastic. And it looks like there's an instruction manual here. It's called Let's Get Started. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, let's get started. It's a handy guide to go ahead and get your CycleEnBatt battery charged up here. Tells you some precautions that you need to take. And here's a product manual from CycleEnBatt. And it looks like this is a warranty registration card right here. Product manual is very detailed. Gives you a lot of information in here. Very useful information there. Let's go ahead and get the battery out of the plastic here. It's a very snug fit for the battery in the plastic here. 12.8 volt, 20 amp hour. There's a guide on the back over here. See, there's the positive and the negative terminals. And that's the CycleEnBatt battery. Okay, we'll go ahead now and take a look at the unboxing of the Power Queen LifePo4 battery charger. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unbox the Power Queen 14.6 volt 20 amp hour LifePo4 battery charger. It's wrapped in plastic here. And it's 14.6 volt 20 amp hour. And here's the power cord and back. Here's the battery charging status indicator. And then the cable that goes to the battery. Here's the power cord. There's a cable that attaches to the battery. And directions from Power Queen. And it shows clear, specific directions on how to connect your LifePo4 battery charger to your LifePo4 battery. Next, we'll go ahead and take a look at charging the LifePo4, setting up and charging the LifePo4 battery. So we're going to go ahead and attach the cables onto the battery here. The black for the negative and the red for the positive. And it takes a Phillips head screwdriver for this. Gonna hand tighten it here. Let's go ahead and get this tight on both terminals. Got that one tight. Let's get this one tightened. Okay, those are good to go. That one's a little more. There we go. Good, that one's all set. Now let's go ahead and get the charger out. We're going to hook the portion from the charger into the battery itself, a big kind of power pole connector, if you will. You can see it's clearly indicated plus and minus on the connector there. And here's the Power Queen charger. Let's go ahead and plug the cord into the Power Queen charger itself. Now let's go ahead and plug that into the outlet. There's a green light that came on and indicated it started charging, and then the charging status is red, which means it is charging, and you can hear the fan on the Power Queen charger as well. That is a little on the noisy side, but you know that it's working. And here's the color code indicator from the manual itself. Green indicates that it is fully charged. And we're starting at 10:15 here. Okay, it is fully charged here because the charging status light is green. And it is approximately almost 11:10, almost an hour to get it fully charged. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the use of the LifePo4 battery with my Icom IC705. Okay, I've hooked the battery up to my rig runner here and also my PowerWorks voltage meter. You can see it has 13.3 volts on here. And here's my IC705. And we're going to go ahead and plug this cord that I got from Quicksilver into the IC705 to let you know and show you that I do not have a battery in here. So it will be powered directly off of the battery. Let's power it on here. See, RF power is at 100%. So we are operating at a full 10 watts here. And it's 13.3 volts. And there is a test of the CycleEnBatt with the IC705. Question of the day. What did you think of the CycleEnBatt LifePo4 Battery and Power Queen LifePo4 Battery Charger? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to make a QSO. 7 3s, everyone.